Cooking is an essential part of daily life, and having the right tools in your kitchen can make all the difference. This Rorence Stainless Steel Saucepan with Pour Spout and Glass Lid, 3.7 quart, is not just a saucepan, it's a game changer for home cooks and professionals. Its innovative features and premium design set it apart, making it the ideal choice for anyone who values quality, efficiency, and convenience in their cookware. Whether you're preparing a hearty soup, braising vegetables, or boiling pasta for the family, this saucepan offers unmatched versatility and functionality. With its food-safe 18/8 stainless steel construction, ergonomic handle, tempered glass lid, and pour spout with a strainer, the Rorence saucepan is designed to simplify your cooking process. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover how this exceptional cookware can transform your kitchen experience. Why the Rorence Stainless Steel Saucepan stands out. Number 1. Superior build quality for long-lasting performance. Crafted from food-grade 18/8 stainless steel, this saucepan ensures safety and durability. Its interior features a brushed finish that resists scratches and maintains its pristine look, while the exterior sports a mirror-polished surface for a sleek, modern aesthetic. This design ensures that the saucepan is easy to clean and will not react with your food, preserving flavors and nutritional value. Number 2. Efficient heating with capsule bottom technology. The tri-ply capsule bottom combines stainless steel with a pure aluminum core for even and efficient heat distribution. This means no more hot spots, ensuring your food is cooked to perfection every time. Whether you're using a gas, electric, or induction cooktop, this saucepan heats up quickly and retains heat exceptionally well, reducing cooking time and energy consumption. Number 3. Ergonomic and durable handle design. The riveted 18/8 stainless steel handle is ideally weighted and ergonomically designed to provide a comfortable grip. It stays cool during stovetop use, ensuring safety and convenience, even during extended cooking sessions. This handle is built to last, giving you confidence in its reliability for years to come. Number 4. Tempered glass lid with built-in strainer. The tempered glass lid allows you to monitor your cooking progress without lifting the lid, preserving heat and steam. The integrated pour spout and straining holes make draining liquids effortless, eliminating the need for separate strainers and reducing cleanup time. This thoughtful design feature makes it easy to prepare dishes like pasta, vegetables, and soups with minimal hassle. Number 5. Generous 3.7 quart capacity. With its large capacity, the Rorence saucepan is perfect for a wide range of cooking tasks. Whether you're whipping up a quick sauce, boiling pasta, or preparing a family-sized stew, this versatile pan can handle it all. Its size makes it a go-to piece for both everyday meals and special occasions. Benefits of the Rorence Stainless Steel Saucepan. Health and safety. Made with non-reactive food-safe materials, ensuring your meals remain safe and flavorful. Time saving. The even heating and quick heat-up time cut down on cooking durations. Easy cleanup. Dishwasher-safe design and non-stick-like interior make post-cooking cleanup a breeze. Stylish addition. Its polished exterior and modern design make it a standout piece in any kitchen. Who should buy this saucepan? The Rorence Stainless Steel Saucepan is ideal for home cooks looking for reliable, high-quality cookware for daily use. Busy parents needing versatile cookware to simplify meal prep. Health-conscious individuals prioritizing safe, non-reactive materials in their cookware. Culinary enthusiasts seeking premium cookware that performs flawlessly. Customer testimonials. The best saucepan I've ever owned. The Rorence saucepan has completely transformed my cooking. The pour spout and strainer are genius features, and the even heating is phenomenal. It's a joy to use. Perfect for everyday use. This saucepan has become my go-to for everything from soups to pasta. The handle stays cool, and I love how easy it is to clean. Highly recommend. Great quality and design. The build quality is excellent, and it looks beautiful in my kitchen. The only downside is that I wish I'd bought it sooner. Conclusion. Why you need the Rorence Stainless Steel Saucepan. This Rorence Stainless Steel Saucepan with pour spout and glass lid is more than just a piece of cookware. It's an investment in your culinary experience. Its premium materials, thoughtful design, and versatile functionality make it an essential addition to any kitchen. Don't settle for subpar cookware that compromises your cooking results. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.